Tension soared in Jampuijala late Tuesday night after unidentified miscreants hurled a bomb at the residence of Arjun Debbarma, the Tipra Motha Block President for Jampuijala. The attack, which occurred near the busy Jampujala market area, has sparked widespread panic across the subdivision. Upon receiving the report on Wednesday morning, a high-level police team led by SDPO Snehasis Kumar Dev, Jampuijala PS OC Mrinal Kanti Riang, and 2nd OC Santanu Debbarma rushed the spot. While no casualties were reported, the explosion caused significant damage and left the local community in a state of shock. The Tipra Motha party has pointed fingers at BJP activists, alleging that the attack is a calculated attempt to intimidate opposition leaders ahead of the crucial ADC elections. Political analysts suggest that as battle for the hills intensifies, internal friction between the ruling party and its allies may lead to further confrontations. The incident highlights a worrying trend of rising violence and the use of firearms and explosives in the hilly region just as election fever begins to grip the state.
Ogana Polska Hayano, Aisha Kitting Hano and Kangabo, Hadu Putai in the doctor. And Gabo Yatak Way, Kishat Kalari, Uzabra Pashintonica. Obo Charaba, Boro Tamini, Jagarova, Heke to Kampai. And Gabo Naimani, Tamsam Bambusa, Otam to the High, Ganka, Aunaka, Hadu Putaiva, Atapolo Shaman and Nike. And Gabo, Yatak Way Kalari, like a Naima Yagolo. Bo Naiman is from the Honda and Gayagotin, I couldn't get as a high. Are they upper colony process? Simon and Bishing of Pin, Johnny Tabi, Tamper away over Boom Sibler. It goes somewhere, police in pump like a in pump like a general police of like police of Hamayaglo, police of investigation like a Naiman bottom out. Over Boom and get none of the wrong kind and get them to portfolio Samia back.
How much was coming in a time culture?
Sarataba Punan or Jampi from the Colonial. But I'll put in the police road. A Baltio thing, never named Baltio, Tina, Overplania, Borvisa, and take it, rescue Khorang. And Jan Tavu Sanamusongo, Boyan Musongo, Mia visiting I said, Pepper Zola John bike rally. You got bike rally on to Jazara, Jampuiti, Guri Tankaku. You get Borog Rasti, Clanyan, Tomato, Borong, Flight and Tasting to me. Jani Hamzam to Yotono Zani. Sungnayo area no peaceful Pongtur and Natanin Jung. Hanai Shatarigo, peaceful jelly, Jampujala like that. Elsegang and meeting plate on money, Sonamori Parawa, Ogana Boom Bizaka, Airport IT Gel Ganabu Rizaka Boom. Inke Bazar Jampui Bazar Ganabu Rizaka. Inke Novo Bosame Pai, Richan Cabo Sanya, and Tipra Motha President Flight on. But Tipra Motha party Khorsa warriors in it. I know the Sokoman and Manawa the bone of training Sanya. Piabang Bono Sanamutongo. And Hai Khorsa Tipra Motha warriors, no to Dinam Sokoman care. Hazard has a Tipra Motha warriors as a name. Lag Bubagana Zoravina Babi. Ambagana Joto area and Taku. Zara Chunta Tabugang, one Betivato. Abo political or Talang and get over BJP Zara. Supporter Astrito Dustriti Kleine, born in Niche Samutang. In Gang Police Never Common Saga, General Rastiti Nutan, a Frisch, Homo 7 every Law and Lord and nothing on Friday, visible in a priority, but more than a priority, Ama Hygienist. Is a Joto, Tigrosata Jara, Shadon Nagel, Joto, Jara Boroka Hambono, Jotono, by Lunchori, Kamka, Tondan Bagano, Police Never Standard, never and no Kono, Shouta.
I just hardly seen Sagari.
And Arjun Debbarma and Tagadola, Baratagola Block President, Tipra Motha Party.
In response to the escalating tension, a heavy police contingent has been deployed in and around the Jampuijala market to prevent any retaliatory violence. Senior officials have assured a swift and impartial investigation to bring the perpetrators to justice. Reporter Vijivan from Bishalgarh, Chini Khorang.